Can I get that bogey?
Bobby.
Oh, here. Just say you want to see the rain. Rain. Katie, we're at the park. You've been sick for the last week, so this video's delayed, but you've had your destiny's been interwoven with messages from the birds. Can you tell me about that? Can you wait for this plane?
Sure. About 10 days ago, I was getting dressed. And looking out the window, it had just rained a bunch. And I saw a big white bird flying through the sky. And I thought, wow, what a big bird. I wonder where he's going. And then he landed right in front of me at the roof across, on the roof next door. About like 10 feet away, it felt like. And he was a stork or a heron or a wren or something.
Hold for the plane.
Well, we had just been talking about being open to signs from the universe and doing so through just paying attention, right? And so I thought, well, this has got to mean something.
And what did it mean?
Well, everybody who I told about the visitor sent me like snippets from the internet about what a visit from a wren or a heron symbolizes. And I guess it's supposed to mean like protection or some sort of like inner wisdom that will protect you, and it's basically like a gentle warrior on your side.
What are your thoughts on birds just overall?
Well, I guess maybe what you're trying to get at is like I made a lot of bird films in in film school. Is that what you're?
Not looking at anything.
Yeah, I made a bunch of short films and read a whole anthology of poetry about this one time when I watched some baby birds die in front of me. And
hold for the plane.
Okay. Intertwined.
If you had one word to describe the significance of birds in your life, what would the word be?
Lighthouse.